Hello, Luke Gomoll here with Southeast Aerospace. I'm holding the Garmin GI 275, the IVSI variant. We just completed the STC, ST02004WI. It's a Part 25 AML with a whole bunch of aircraft. I'm in front of a Lear 55C that we're completing a big project on. There'll be some more videos on that with two of these installed and the ESI variant and some GTNs, as well as a whole bunch of other avionics equipment. And if you follow me, I'll show you how you install it in the aircraft. It's pretty easy. Here we are in the Southeast Aerospace harness shop. So STC ST02004WI allows you to remove the Fenix King Honeywell IVA 81 Alpha or Delta from the 3 ATI hole, just like this. Garmin GI 275 goes in its place. So 3 ATI adapter ring attaches right here. We manufacture that. It's a back mount, so you got to get in the back. Hopefully you have a tube or something you can do that. And it mounts right there in the same holes that it had before. We also build a little harness adapter. So the IVA round adapter, it's basically the same plug. You plug it into the existing harness, and then 78 pin on the back of the GI 275. So both these parts are built by Southeast Aerospace. They are in the process of being PMA'd, so they will have 8130s and they will be available to the Garmin dealer network. We will offer a configuration file to set up the GI 275 in the field with some minor installer input to make it work for that particular aircraft. So theoretically, this could be a quick turn in just a couple hours. Very low downtime. So instead of trying to find an IVA out there in the used world, we do stock the GI 275-50, and we do sell that as a package with the STC. So you may be able to turn the aircraft faster by just buying the GI 275 rather than trying to find an IVA. This is the IVSI variant of the GI 275, the -50 part number. So it looks like that. Most everyone in the world is very familiar with the ADI version, the HSI version, and some of the other versions. This is a very specific unit designed to be a TCAS-2 resolution advisory type instantaneous vertical speed indicator. So only the -50 can be configured like this, and the -50 can't be configured like anything else. So it's locked in. So thanks for coming by, and we look forward to seeing you out there in the world. And give us a call, send us an email if you have any questions. Once again, Luke Gomoll, Southeast Aerospace.